everyone, I'm back with another video. Today we're gonna making this crochet floral headband. It's very simple to make and very useful. Let's get started. Start with magic ring or start with chain 4 and then join with the slip stitch to the first chain. Make a ring. Then make one chain and make 8 single crochet into the circle. Don't forget that you bring your tail of the yarn between your stitches and make your stitches over it. And then join with the slip stitch to the first stitch and then cut the yarn, fasten up and hide the tail of the yarn. Now we can close the hole in the middle by pulling on this tail of the yarn like this. Then hide the tail of the yarns you have on your circle. Insert your needle under the second stitch. Again, insert your needle inside the first stitch, and here is our ending. Then cut the tail of the yarn. For the next row, bring your next color, make a slip knot on the hook, wrap yarn around your hook, insert your hook inside the stitch, make a double crochet 3 times and don't complete them, and then make 2 chains. This is how we make clusters of 3 double crochet. In each stitch we must make clusters of 3 double crochet and 2 chains until the end of the row. In the end we must have 8 clusters of 3 double crochet and 8 chain 2 spaces. Okay, and then join with the slip stitch to the first, cut the yarn, fasten off. It's better than you fasten off and hide the tail of the yarn between your you are crocheting your projects, especially when your projects are making by the several colors. Okay, cut the tail of the yarn. For the next row and making it as a square shape, bring your next color, join your color to the chain 2 space, make 1 double crochet and 2 chain, then make 3 double crochet into the same space, then go to the next chain space, make 3 half double crochet, wrap yarn around your hook, insert your hook inside the chain space and then pull through 3 loops, make a half double crochet. Go to the next chain space, make 3 double crochet, 2 chains and 3 double crochet. This is our second corner. Okay, go to the next chain space, make 3 half double crochet into there. Okay, into the next space we made a corner, 3 double crochet, 2 chain, 3 double crochet into the next space, 3 half double crochet into the next space, corner, and do it until the end. In the end, make 2 double crochet into the corner space and join with the slip stitch to the first double crochet. Also, you can start your row in the corner with the 5 chain and 3 chain as a 1 double crochet and 2 chain as a 2 chain if you want. Okay, hide the tail of the yarn. This is our floral granny. I don't hide this tail of the yarn because I want to join it with another squares. Must make 4 more square, and then after that you have 5 square. Join them together, go to the chains with the slip stitch. I go to the second chain, bring my next square, insert my hook inside the second chain and bring the yarn out from the first square of second square. Then go to the back loop of the each square and bring the yarn out from there and make a slip stitch. Look, back loop only from both square. I have this side. Look, the back loop. Let me show you the back loop from the second square, and when we work on this square, the back loop is here. The better that you work on the back loop and third loop in the first square, your slip stitches will be very better. Then when we work on the one loop, the back loop actually, then take a back loop from the second square and take a back loop and third loop from the first square, make a slip stitch. Also, you can use any method of the joining the squares if you want. I will teach you the each method of the joining the squares as soon as possible in my short videos. Okay, in the end, after that you join the last stitch, make a slip stitch and cut the tail of the yarn. Okay, joined one more square, make a slip knot on the hook, go to the chain to space, the second chain, sorry, of the chain to space of the both square, then bring the yarn out from there, and again go to the back loop of the second square and go to the back loop and third loop of the first square, and then make a slip stitch into there. Do it until the end of the 2 squares and join all of the squares by this method. Okay, join your other squares together. After that you joined your squares, you must make a single crochet into the each stitch you have all around your rectangle. 3 single crochet into the chain spaces of corners and 1 single crochet into the each stitches you have in the spaces between 2 squares. In the chain 1 space that left here, make 1 single crochet and 1 single crochet into the joining stitches and 1 single crochet into the chain 1 space, and again make 1 single crochet into the each stitches you have. Also you can use any border you like and make shells stitches or picouts if you want, and that's it. Do this until the end of your square, rectangle. All around your rectangle you must make single crochet into corner space. Make 3 single crochet, don't forget it, and 1 single crochet into the each stitches. Then in the chain 1 spaces over here, make 1 single crochet and do it until the end of the row. After that you make a single crochet all around your rectangle. You must make double crochet in 2 sides of the rectangle and decrease the stitches from 2 sides of the first row and in the end row. Okay, in the round 1 make 1 double crochet in the each stitches we have, and from the second row you must decrease the stitches from the first of the row and the end of the row. Okay, last 2 stitches, then make 2 chains, turn around to the round 2, skip first stitch, then into the next 2 stitch make 2 double crochet 2 together, then make double crochet into the each stitch that until you receive to the 3 ending stitches here. Into first and second stitch make 2 double crochet 2 together and make 1 double crochet into the last stitch, then make 2 chains and turn around, skip chain 1 and then make 2 double crochet from 2 stitches 2 together and make 1 double crochet until you receive the third chain here, third stitch, sorry. Make 2 double crochet 2 together and into the last stitch make 1 double crochet and 2 chains like this. Repeat this diagram until you receive to the end, that you must have just 2 stitch on your hook. repeat this diagram and decrease my stitches. Also in the first of the row you can decrease the stitches from the first stitch like this. Make 2 double crochet together and 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, get them 2 together. Okay, do this until the end. I think this is the last row, sorry. Okay, now we must make the rope of our headband. Make 2 chains, turn, make 1 double crochet into the next stitch, again 2 chains, turn, make 1 double crochet into the next stitch. Do this until you receive the tail of the size of the rope you want, and then do the other side like this side, and done. Then you must hide all of the tail of the yarns you have on your craft and hide them between the stitches by needle, and then cut the tail of it. Like this. Okay, here is my crochet floral headband. This is the rope of it. You can make it with any diagram you want. And this is the wrong side of it. There is no sign of the tail of the yarns. Okay, and the size of it is, let me show you with the centimeter. From here to the other side is 42, and the length of the rope of it is 40. If you want, you can make it bigger or smaller for the other size with more squares, and if you want, you can make a border for it in here and make it bigger. Okay, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you like it, please let me know in comment below, and if you are new in my channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a crochet tutorial from me. Thanks for watching. Happy crocheting. See you next time. Bye.